In this question, we're being asked to do something that's a bit abstract. We're being asked to write an algebraic expression to describe the area of this shape. Now, we can see that this shape's a rectangle, so we know that the formula for this is that the area of any rectangle is the length multiplied by the width. Just be careful, we're being asked for a expression, okay, which means there's no equal signs when we write it, technically. And it's going to be algebraic, which means there's not really a definitive answer for this in terms of numbers. You're effectively writing a rule, okay? So what happens here is if we take the length and multiply it by the width, it would look like this. It would be, let's say that's the length, and it would be multiplied by the width, okay? And what you would normally do is you would expand this as well, so you had a clean algebraic expression. So remember that looks like this. That times that, then that times that. So we say 2x times 3x makes 6x squared. 2x times 2 makes 4x. And this is our answer. Don't take it any further. There's no answer for x.